What's up, guys? Welcome back. My name is Shun, and today...
Oh, love the flow of this.
Sure.
The emotion, the power.
Then it just explodes.
Okay.
What's up, guys? Welcome back. My name is Shun, and today we're going to be reacting to NiziU's Raindrops and Love and Like. So guys, we are back with some more NiziU, getting into the last two B-sides of the Ordinary Coconut album. Apparently, a lot of you guys told me this in the comments for my on my last reaction, and then I found out, well, you guys told me that there were subunit songs, and I initially just thought that it was these two songs that were left in Coconut, but you guys mentioned a song called Jump, which obviously Raindrops and Love and Like is not called Jump. And then I found out apparently there's a release of a Coconut Deluxe Edition, which includes 4 different like subunit songs from NiziU, so we will of course have to check that out as well in the I guess next 2 weeks for our NiziU reactions. This time around though, we have Raindrops and Love Alike as the ending to the, I guess, the original Coconut, the normal Coconut Edition album. I don't know what to call it now. I guess it's just the Coconut album, while the other one is the Luxy Coconutty. Let's get right into the first one, Raindrops. Oh, like a radio-like sound, okay. Okay. Let's see where this goes. I have no idea. Oh. But this was not what I was expecting at all. Ooh. Oh, that's nice. Wow. Oh, this is a vibe. Oh, that's really good. Wow, I really like this. Oh. In a sense, they've really encapsulated the feeling of Raindrops when you're inside. Wow, I really love this. Okay, that was NiziU's Raindrops. What? Well, I'm actually really sad that no one's made lyric videos for these for this album yet, because I want to check. I really want to read the lyrics while listening to this, because it sounds so nice. It really feels like they're trying to convey a specific feeling through this song. They're already really good at conveying. Well, whoever composed the song is really good at, I guess, describing the feeling of, you know, as I said, when it's raining outside and you are sitting inside in like the cozy warmthness in the hygge, as a Danishman would say, and of course I am a Danishman, so I would say hygge. And I love that. I really love how they've conveyed that through a song called Raindrops without actually, you know, adding any raindrops to the song. It's simply and purely through the way that they're singing and through the way the instrumentals work. This like bass line that it isn't too overpowering. It's still kind of relaxed. And not necessarily soothing, but kind of soft on your ears. It's, man, it just builds a really cool and comfortable vibe that when you listen to it. Really like this song, but we have more to check out. Let's get right into the last one of the Coconut album, Love and Like. Yeah, I guess now I am. Oh. Wait. It's this. Wow. Yo. Hey. My little trompet in the back. Ooh. Is that trombone maybe? Oh. Love and like. Hey, okay, she's breaking out. Hey. That was quite the pace. Was that my okay, I think? Hey. The vibe is immaculate. Got my spices. Hey. Oh, okay. I am! Man! Where's that back? That's load! Just the vocals running in the background. Wow! Okay, we're even ending it like that. I was really caught off guard by this. NiziU's Love and Like. It's funny, we've just talked about how well they did, how good they were at creating a really cozy vibe with the Raindrops song. This time, it's the complete opposite. They're really good at creating a really nice, happy, hyped vibe with Love and Like. It feels like we had a musical. It feels like we most definitely are watching a musical within a theater, and suddenly, like, they're bursting out. This feels like maybe the encore or something where everyone is just standing up and like clapping their hands. Maybe it feels like almost feels like we're like a Baptist church. If you've seen those churches where everyone is like singing and being happy, it's like that. I'm just getting so energized by this. I can also definitely see myself being at some kind of like training session, right, where it's like some kind of either dancing session or some kind of cardio session where it's just like an hour of listening to Love and Like and just dancing my energy away until I cannot move anymore. I love this song so much. We have really cool raps. We have really nice vocals in the background, especially here at the end. And just as I said, the vibe is absolutely immaculate. Hey you, did you know that I'm hosting a giveaway that ends on the 12th of August that includes a twice ticket to a concert, a light stick, and an album? I hope you guys know. If you didn't know, you can check out the link in the description that will get you to the right video where everything is explained. For now though, enjoy the rest of the video. Yeah, guys, that was NiziU's Raindrops and Love and Like. That was two incredible songs. What a good album NiziU have been released with Coconut. I'm actually really excited to see what they're gonna be doing with the subunit songs. I don't think we've had any subunit songs at all, right? From NiziU. Maybe within NiziU project. I'm still only getting into that now, or at least the second part of it over on Patreon. But I don't think outside of that we've had any, and I'm not even sure if we had any within NiziU project part 2. But I'm excited for what's to come with those those 4 subunit songs, especially after having ended the Coconut album on a high like this. First, Raindrops, which just had a cozy vibe, and then Love and Like, which has built my energy, which is really made me want to, well, first of all, listening to that song once again right after this reaction, but also, you know, I really want to get some more NiziU get it. Man, they just never miss when it comes to these happy songs. The clap, Love and Like, everything is so damn good by NiziU. But let me know what you guys thought about Raindrops and Love and Like down in the comments below, and I guess I'll see you guys next time.